Could you please help me with your name?
My name is Atul Shirodkar, located at Kolhapur. So my firm's name is Analog and Digital Tone, AD Tone. So I'm doing business with pen workers for past 20 years now.
Okay. And as we celebrate 100 years of pen workers, what is that experience that you would love to cherish for your whole life?
Yeah. See, actually, if you consider my opinion is like, been 20 years I've been using pen workers, and the pen workers chairs last for life. Believe me, I've done like more than 450 theaters, and out of which 300 and plus theaters are using pen worker chairs.
Okay. So what is that X factor that makes you stay with them and use their product?
The build quality, the construction, the comfort is way better than other chairs.
And what is your opinion on which type of cities are really adapting to the offline cinema business and are willing to expand their theaters?
Actually, if you ask me about pen workers, it's 360 degree. So it's
Sorry?
nothing, it's 360 degree.
Okay.
So it's nothing like specific for a city or a up country or something like that. So everywhere it is like, so wherever you go, I've been doing projects all over Maharashtra, Gujarat, Goa. So there, wherever we have been, some of the other, we have come across pen worker chairs.
That's lovely. So you mean they're all over the India?
Yeah.
That's lovely. And I hope you continue the same relationship and continue with the same partnership that you have. And all the best to you, sir.
Surely we'll do that. Thank you.
Thank you.